June 25th, 2020. A hairy woodpecker. He's been there for about 5 minutes, but I've been messing with him all day. He's been eating a suet until a cowbird comes around and chases him away. See you later. He'll be back. He is definitely not scared of me at all. But there's a cowbird coming all morning. It's extremely loud and very, very aggressive. The red downies were here this morning. Hope everybody's doing well. It's a beautiful day. Here's some heavy equipment running. They're still tearing down that factory. It's about gone. All right, peace out.